We're going on a nature walk.
You mean an explore time?
Yeah.
Be careful of those. They will poke you real good.
Oh yeah, the thorns will definitely.
You don't want to go to the hospital, do you?
No, we don't.
Haunted.
Watch out for the glass.
Where?
Back there. It's okay. We walking up that big hill? Oh my goodness.
I guess.
It's a great
Well,
big
first
hill.
let's go in the woods.
Okay, go ahead. You lead the way. You first.
This is not. The thorns are poison, right?
Yeah,
I think so. I don't know.
I think so.
I'm here.
Careful. Put my glove on. My hands will get cold.
Whoa.
Careful. Why don't we watch down here a little bit? See what's going on.
We're gonna get over there.
Yeah, go ahead. You go first. Just be careful.
Okay. There's a lot of monsters in all of these.
You think?
I have a make-believe map. We're making a map in our mind.
Yeah, you are.
I already have a map.
Okay.
To the haunted swamp. I don't see a swamp, so we're gonna have to get going.
Let's go see what that sign says up there.
Yeah. I wonder.
Are you getting cold? No?
I bet you it's something. Be careful of the thorns.
Oh, look at it. It says Nature Trail.
Okay, let's go. Which way?
I don't know, which way?
Animal. Get your tiger by the top. If the girl said it go. My mother picks the best tiger, and it is you. Let's go that way.
Okay. Look, there's a birdhouse up there and everything.
Actually, it's that way.
You want to go that way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go that way. Look at that little birdhouse. Where is it?
Where?
Right up here.
Where is it?
Right up in the tree. Watch. Come here.
Coming. Wow, I see it now.
Look at the steps. Look at the little birdhouse. See it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty.
All right, go ahead. Some of these steps are new, I think.
Yeah.
I don't think they've been here very long.
They've been here for 14 years.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. You going up that way? I'm gonna go this way. Go ahead, you go that way.
This is scary. Oh.
You gonna go that way? You're gonna walk through the thorns? Don't walk through the thorns. Oh, be careful. Can you make it under there?
I did it.
Whoa, good job.
Hey, look at that. What's that doing this wreck?
What does he say? Let's see. What does it say?
What's it say?
I don't know.
It says
I don't know what it says. Careful up there. Looking down. It's a big cliff.
Yeah.
You don't want to fall down there. It's a long way down there.
You would have to go to a big hospital.
Yeah.
Watch out for all those.
Watch out for all those thorns. They'll get you. Look at that big cliff. Whoa. Careful over there. Let's see what his sign says.
What?
Over here.
Where?
Over here. Look at. This says, oh, it's a fern tree. Fern.
What did
What?
they do?
I don't really know. I don't know. Great flowerless plant. Oh,
It's
I don't
really
think
bright.
that's a tree. I don't think that's a fern tree. I just think maybe they leave little signs through the path. What does that say?
Acorn.
Acorn? Oh yeah, it's an acorn.
Let's go this way.
Hey, there's more over there. Huh? Yeah, look at we gotta go all the way over there. There's another thing over there.
Blueberries grow here.
They do?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
I picked some over there.
You picked them before up there?
Look at that cliff.
Oh, there's a path right there.
I don't want to go.
Don't. All right, we'll walk around this path here. There's a.
I see another sign that says
Okay, let's go read it. What is this?
I want to
This is Bigfoot. That looks like Bigfoot.
It's a swamp.
And this says it's a pine tree. Oh, pine tree.
Look at that cliff.
Yeah, that's a big one. We don't want to fall down there. We'll go into the street. All right, let's walk back around the circle this way.
You don't want to fall down there.
No, not at all, huh?
Hey,
You gotta watch where you're walking. Look at that big rock you're gonna walk into. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
what's that thing?
I think that's the acorn one.
Let's go see if we can find more that way.
Oh, and that's the cliff. I think there was another one over here. Look, there's another one over there.
Okay.
Let's see what that one says.
Okay.
What's that one say? Mushroom? Oh yeah, it's a mushroom.
Let's keep going. I see something.
You see something?
There's a birdhouse again.
Oh, there's another birdhouse. Yeah, this is the way back down the hill. Be careful.
But I see something way over there.
You do?
Let's go check it out.
Okay. Be careful.
It's straight ahead.
Okay.
We need to be careful of the trees.
Yeah.
Can you keep protected?
Where are you going?
To see what that is.
Why don't we walk down the stairs and walk over?
Okay.
That way we don't fall. Right?
Okay.
Go ahead. You go in front of me.
Whoa! It leads to that way.
Okay. Oh, another birdhouse.
What? Yeah.
Yeah.
She's cute. I think it's a few more. This is a mysterious cat.
Yeah.
Green. And there's more there. It's way up there.
It's way up there.
In the sky.
Oh boy, we're gonna have to climb up that big hill?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can put my finger in there.
You can.
Think squirrels. Okay, I don't know how we're gonna get up there, but let's try it, YouTube. YouTube, let's try it.
Okay.
Do you think YouTube will be protected?
You gonna climb that big hill?
What?
You gonna climb up that big hill? Over those trees? Oh boy. Let's see.
I can do it.
Alright, let me see. Be careful now.
You do that.
Yep, let's go. We're coming. Oh boy. Keep going. Go up this way. Go through this way. Go through that way. You're okay. I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you. Keep going. Whoa, my goodness. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Yeah. I don't know if it was a very good idea. Wow, we made it to the top of the hill.
Look!
What? Oh, another playground.
Let's go see. Let's go play on it.
All right, I think we're gonna sign off right now.
No, can we play at that playground?
Yeah, but we're gonna sign off for this
No.
video and then we'll do another one.
Okay.
So say see you later.
See you later. We'll probably go live again.
Okay.
Not in our PJs.
No, not in our PJs. So if you like our video, give us a thumbs up, right?
If anybody's watching our video,
What do you got going on there?
I am.
All right, bye-bye.